Okay, yeah, let me go back up and we're gonna talk about this. This is pretty exciting. We're gonna talk about this real quick.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we decide to show love to all tech. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Sphero 2.0. Here it is, the Sphero 2.0. And before I get into how I feel about this product, let's go ahead and unbox this. So inside the box, here's the star of the show, the Orbotix Sphero 2.0, the inductive charger, so you can charge it wirelessly, 2 ramps, 4 rubber pieces to keep the ramp stable on a hard surface, AC adapter, and various adapters for whatever country you're in. Legal guide, quick start guide. So this Sphero 2.0 is pretty much like a remote control ball. It has a charge time of 3 hours and a run time of 1 hour. So compared to most RC cars, you'll get a little bit longer playing time. I'm not saying it's as fun as most RC cars, but you'll be able to use this a little bit longer. The setup process was fairly easy. Download the Sphero app, and this works for iOS or Android. Put power to your charging dock. Set your Sphero inside of your charging dock until it lights up, and it takes about 5 seconds. And once you remove it, it is actually sleeping. So what you want to do after that is double tap it, and it will wake up, and it will automatically start blinking yellow, red, and blue lights. That means that it's looking for a Bluetooth signal. And when you're looking for the name to pair this to your phone, the name should pop up as Sphero YRW. And then after you connect this Sphero to your phone, then you're ready to use the app. So let me go ahead and open this app up and show you what it looks like. And this is where it gets a little shaky. I don't know if it's because of the country that I'm in, but a lot of the apps are country specific and a lot of them don't work for the United States. What's up with that, bruh? I think y'all need to fix that or something, because right now, besides just driving this around, the free rides, I really can't play any of the games. I can do the Chrome education, but I digress. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you exactly what I'm talking about.
So this is what you see when you open up the Sphero app. You have the play option, you have the app store, you have a statistics button, an information tab at the bottom. Let's go ahead and hit this play button and see what else we got in here. Okay, so here's your basic controls. This is your joystick. You have missions to accomplish. You can change the speed. If you need to recalibrate, you hold this button down and then you move this joystick around. And there's, if you can see on the Sphero, there's a blue dot. And that blue dot, you want that to be facing you, and you let it go. Let me slow this speed down so that it doesn't go flying off the table. And then you just start moving it. If you look over here, these are various moves that you can unlock. Damn it. And over to the right side, there's different special moves that you can unlock. With the more points you gain, the more experience and the higher level that you get to. And here are all the different tricks that you can unlock, special moves. They do various things like sneezing and just, you know, just random movements, fun movements. They make noise. What I'm going to do now is back out of this and show you a couple more apps. You back out and you go to see all the apps that are available, the featured apps. And now this is what really disappointed me. I watched a bunch of other videos on this Sphero, and a lot of people were playing the rolling dead. And that's when you roll the Sphero around. It's like augmented reality. You roll the Sphero around and you can knock out zombies with the Sphero ball. This is what happens with most of the apps in here when I try to click on them. So it shows loading, and if I hit cancel and hit install, that's what it says. Item not available. Item not available. And that was pretty much the same thing with the rest of the apps. The only apps that you have to use, you have the Sphero app, the Sphero EDU, Sphero Education, Chrome, Color Grab, and Flappy Ball. But let me go ahead and set these ramps up, see if I can get this thing to jump. Wish me luck. So here we have the Sphero in action. And let me go ahead and calibrate this real quick, get this blue dot facing towards me. This thing for me is not easy to control. You see I have the ramp set up right here. I'm going to attempt to try and jump these ramps. It's actually a little easier to control when it's going slow. I mean, it's fairly easy to control. It rolls on any surface. I don't know if I mentioned, but this thing is waterproof. I will come back. There's various accessories to make this more rugged. And let me go ahead and try and jump these ramps.
You see that on the first try? I got it on the first try. I might have to rethink my opinion on this. Yeah, let me go back up and we're gonna talk about this. This is pretty exciting. We're gonna talk about this real quick. Ah!
So I'm back with the test run. To be honest with you, that went a lot smoother than I planned, that I thought it out of my head. Earlier today I was using this Sphero and it wasn't working as smoothly as it was then. I don't know if I just have more experience with it, whatever. I didn't even use it that much earlier today. When I was using it on the hard surface, it seemed like it was a little easier to control, which to me really doesn't make any sense. But let me go ahead and give you some more features about this Sphero 2.0. Like I said earlier, it is waterproof. There are cases that you can buy to make this more rugged and more buoyant. I will have a YouTube card up here to another reviewer's video, which I really enjoyed. He has some different shots, outside shots. The Bluetooth distance on this is about 30 meters or 98 feet. Right now on Amazon, this Sphero goes for around $112, $115, depending on what seller you got it from. And everything that I'm talking about, the accessories, there's traveling cases, there's cones, there's extra ramps, everything will be in the description down below. And the only complaint I truly have about this product is that probably some of the best apps you can't even download, because I'm in the United States. I don't know what it is with me being in the United States as opposed to other countries, why these apps aren't available in the App Store. I don't know that whole process, so I really can't say what is going on with that. Sphero, if you're listening, is it Sphero? Who's this company? Sphero, if you're listening, if you do come across this video, please open up these apps for United States customers. We would greatly appreciate it. I know I would. And that's pretty much it, people. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below. Smash that like button. I'm a new channel. Show me some love, some support. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, write them down in the comments. I'm going to get back to you. I have, 29 subscribers right now, so they come few and far between. But so that guarantees you, I promise you, I will get back to your comment as soon as you send it. My name is Nicholas. Thanks for watching the Tech Love channel. I'm out. Peace.